Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Hi friends, this is a 43-inch Full HD Smart Impex Android LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture issue. While checking we found that, as usual, the problem is with backlight. Here we already opened the TV frame. There are total 3 LED strips in this TV. While checking with the LED checker, here you can see the bottom LED strip is not working, so this is the reason for no display, and other 2 LED strips are okay. But while dealing with backlight related faults, it's better to replace entire LED strips with new one to avoid future repetition in backlight complaints. So here we take 3 new LED strips for replacement, and these are those strips. So let's install it. Now let's replace the old LED with these new one. Finally, here we fixed this new backlights. Now let's check these new backlights using LED backlight checker. See, it's working properly. Now we can put the diffuser sheets, panel frame back to the TV. Finally, here we connected all sockets, including the LVDS cable, back to the motherboard. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See, finally the picture comes and the backlight is working properly. After changing the backlight, it's better to adjust the backlight level minimum 30 to maximum of 70% to increase the LED lifespan. Now work is done and TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.